Dispatch, this is Loader 1. We are hitting heavy ore here.
Thousands of tons of ore are extracted every day. The ore is transported to the processing facility. Large rocks are crushed into smaller fragments. The ore is ground into fine particles. Gold particles are separated from unwanted materials. Pure gold concentrate begins to emerge. The concentrate is melted at extreme temperatures. The bars begin taking their final form. Every bar undergoes strict quality testing. The finished gold is stored under maximum security. From rock to riches, this is how gold becomes one of the world's most valuable assets.